Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw an ocean fish. Start by making a huge semicircle at the center of the page. Good! Remember, our fish is floating upwards to the surface of the water. Draw only a single eye and an open mouth. This way. Good job! Make two curved lines facing outwards. Now join them with small U-shaped pattern. Great! Give this another border of U-shaped patterns. Color. You are free to use any color that you desire. We have used orange blending in with red. As for the fins, we have chosen green and red over the frills. We can even create water ripples this way to make it more realistic. Did you know fish can remember humans who give them food and can even tell them apart? Fish have a sharp memory and can remember musical tunes as well. A big group of fish is called school. Show your fish drawing to family and friends.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.